Hello and welcome to your daily news and information update. Today's topic, the value-added tax. The United States of America still faces a major obstacle in international trade, which most people simply know nothing about. This obstacle is the value-added tax, and it costs this economy hundreds of millions of dollars in extra fees every year. Making matters worse is the fact that nearly 150 nations around the world use a VAT system to protect their economy, while the United States remains idle. The simple fact is that governments need money to operate, and they generate this revenue in many ways. In the United States, our government operates almost completely on funds generated through income and property taxation. The sales tax, a form of consumption tax, is only marginal in the grand scheme. Most other countries put much more emphasis on consumption taxes like the VAT. The VAT rewards exporters while largely blocking foreign importers. This guarantees a domestic demand for domestically produced goods, and it thereby ensures that tax-paying citizens are gainfully employed in the production of those goods. U.S. companies, for example, can barely export to Europe because the VAT system there makes American goods more expensive. At the same time, European companies can export easily to the U.S., where there is almost no barrier to their goods. TradeReform.org has highlighted the value-added tax in a recent article discussing how important the VAT would be to U.S. financial stability. It would bring money into the government while also protecting American producers, consumers, and workers. The VAT is hardly a cure-all for the endemic problems in the American economy, but instituting such a system, the most profitable and successful form of taxation in the world, would go a long way to stabilizing the free-falling economy. Most Americans know little or nothing about the VAT, but a May 27th article in the Washington Post may raise some awareness. It focuses mainly on the tax benefits of creating a U.S.-wide consumption tax. The article addresses the mounting federal deficit projections and the fact that a VAT would bring perhaps billions of dollars into the U.S. during a time of need. Whether you look at the VAT from the standpoint of fair trade advocate or fiscal conservative, the conclusion is the same. America needs this or something like it. A value-added tax would promote American exporters and discourage foreign imports. Dependence on imports leads eventually to outsourcing and job loss. At the same time, it could potentially help stabilize the federal deficit by bringing more revenue into the already indebted system. It would also promote job creation in the U.S., which would lead to even higher levels of income tax receipts. The most important point to take away is that there are solutions available if our elected officials are willing to take the necessary steps. We do not have to watch as our economy crumbles. There are measures we can put in place to stabilize the situation. It is now just a matter of political will. On behalf of concerned citizens, I'm Craig Carrington. For more on this and other related topics, please tune in daily to economyincrisis.org.
Wake up, America! Open up your eyes! Wake up, America! Wake up!